G'day cocktail lovers, this is called a Blandings, and I'll just say that's not the most appetizing name for a cocktail I've ever heard. Bland, that's not a syllable I'd put in my cocktail name, but I didn't name it. It's essentially a cousin to a Manhattan, but the base spirit is apple brandy as opposed to a whiskey. I love a good Manhattan and a good Manhattan riff, so I'm keen to see how this one is. And that doesn't disappoint. Bringing in some amaro to give deeper, richer flavors because the apple brandy is lighter than most whiskies and it comes together really well. Let me take you through the ingredients. You can go with the apple brandy of your choice. In the US, I know Applejack is very popular. That's quite difficult to get here. Some Australian distillers do make an apple brandy. I don't have any of those. Surprise, surprise, there's an Australian thing I don't have. I'm using a French Calvados. So this is quite a nice apple brandy, and it's, like I said, it's a lighter touch than whiskey would be in this drink. The modifier is split. It's not simply sweet vermouth as you get in a regular Manhattan, or just the amaro that you would get in a black Manhattan. It's split between the two. I've gone with an Australian sweet vermouth and an Italian amaro, the Averna Amaro from Sicily. And they've come together really well. And it calls for just a little aromatic bitters. The recipe also said 5 drops, and I just went with a bit of a dribble, as you'll see. But it's all come together quite well. It's a very nice Manhattan alternative. Let me show you how to make it. In a mixing glass, put 2 ounces or 60 mils of apple brandy. Then add to that 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of the amaro of your choice. Then 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth, and finally somewhere around 5 drops of aromatic bitters. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then I'm straining that into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. There's no garnish for this one, stands on its own apparently, and it does stand on its own quite well. If you like the boozy stir down drink, this one's for you. Definitely Manhattan fans, I think you'd appreciate this variation on it, and I'm always one for recommending experimentation, trying riffs on the classics and see what people have come up with. This one is pretty good, the Blandings. I recommend you give it a go, and I recommend, just look after yourself. Whether you're having a drink or just relaxing, I hope you are taking care. I do hope to see you again sometime soon. Until I do, I'll say cheers.